Today we are hijacking Hitler's kitchen. We are going to prepare massage. A ginger going inside. Perfect. Ginger. Next to we'll take pate. Gram. What is this, bro? Clove.
Lavanga.
Lavanga. 5 lavanga. Next to we have to take elaki. Quality matters. Consistency. 1 no. Yes 2. No. Yes 3. 4. Okay. How many glass? 4 glass, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. 5. Okay. Now we won't use sugar. We will use what is this, bro?
Jaggery, bro.
Jaggery. Bellam. Jaggery.
Skill.
Skill matter.
Oh. Failed.
Enough, huh?
Oh.
Jaggery. Go small piece. This is second attempt. First attempt failed. Very nice. We made malai instead of tea. Brown malai. This time we are very careful. We cleaned this thing. We cleaned this thing. We cleaned the entire stove, and we are taking full precaution like a nuclear test. You see, one blast happened. Lucky gun. Thank God Hitler is not there.
Hitler is there, but
Somebody
Hitler
knows.
doesn't know.
Hitler doesn't know. See, this is a mixture of everything. I need 1 spoon. Multitasking. Perfect. Oh, smell, bro. अरे वाह. Little more bellam means little more jaggery, bro. Maybe last time ginger was more. Oh, see the flavor, the
Aroma.
the aroma,
Parimala.
the parimala coming from the parimala is very strong. Oh, fire. We are not using sugar because sugar patients, not us, bro. Not we.
Sugar daddy Hitler.
Sugar daddy Hitler is there. So our sugar daddy Hitler doesn't want sugar. So we are using jaggery. I am not sugar daddy. Hitler.
Bro will turn sugar daddy in
In 30 years.
Huh? Another 8 to 10 years.
8 to 10 years I will become sugar daddy.
Yeah, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for the promotion.
But we don't reveal your age here.
Yeah. We know. So first what we will do? We will light up the stove.
Okay.
What weird stove is this, bro?
What is this?
Hey?
Maybe blocked.
Completely blocked.
Shit.
Like
Wait.
this is some weird stove. I don't know what happened. Just like weird angle. Weird sugar daddy Hitler. Hey bro, Angel, bro. There is water, bro. Wait. Once more. Perfect. Now let this vessel heat little bit so that any foreign matters inside this. Yes.
Oh shit.
Then we will open pile packet. Very careful. A little bit plastic. Enough, bro?
Oh, full bro.
No, bro. One more experiment is there. If this fails,
Yeah, another packet right.
then enough. Let the milk boil. No water. Thick milk and thick water.
Then that milk is not enough, bro.
I will become that chai wala, bro. Full.
Chapri.
I am.
Chapri chai wala, bro.
Bro, he is earning 5 lakh per day, bro. I am okay with that.
Yeah.
Let the milk
Boil.
and that bush come out.
Bulu bro.
Now, bull come out. We will wait. Pause.
Okay.
No, the pal is still bush.
Not getting bulu.
Not get bulu.
Not yet.
Maybe in next 5 to 10 minutes, we become bulu. Bulu.
Please keep patient.
Patience is important in life. I will be patient for past 31 years.
So
So the milk is now gulu and coming.
cooking, bro.
Cooking. Coming up.
This.
Oh, this is panchara. We don't want panchara. The milk is coming up. In sim. Now. No chai pudi. Sorry. No chai pudi. So what?
Measure and put 2 spoon or 2.5 spoon.
See.
Right?
That is not
3
even
by
1.
4, bro.
That is 3 by 4.
Yeah.
That is half. This is.
What? Shit.
This is another half.
Call, bro. That is call.
And,
1 by 4.
I don't know.
വേണ്ടി 10 ആൾ അതില് ഇവർക്ക് കൊടുക്കണ്ടേ ഇവർക്ക്
For your kind information, this is Hitler Aka Sugar Daddy.
പിന്നെ അതല്ലാതെ ഗ്രേ ലിസ്റ്റ് ബ്ലാക്ക് ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തേക്കാണ്
ആര് ചൈനയാണ് പാകിസ്ഥാൻ.
അപ്പൊ ഒന്നിന് ലോൺ കിട്ടില്ല
Can you please my dear?
ഈ പ്രാവശ്യം ഒരു $10 ബില്യൺ
Hello? Excuse me. Can you please my
എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്തത് അതും കട്ടായി
ഇൻട്രോഡ്യൂസ് ഹിറ്റ്ലർ.
ആരത്
ആരോ ഇൻട്രോഡ്യൂസ് ഹിറ്റ്ലർ.
This is you.
whom do you want whom you in this
You.
You.
why do you want my picture
Simply. Hitler doesn't brush for 1 week. Weekly once he'll brush his teeth.
Sugar daddy doesn't have any problems.
Yeah.
Sugar daddy can do anything.
Yeah.
Waiting that much password she can unlock. You show her 3 times, she won't unlock. You show her 10 times, she won't unlock. That is nuclear level security password. Now see, bro.
Yeah.
We only had.
chicken la
Why are you interrupting in middle?
chicken
Che.
Starting the noise in the
So we only had
What?
this much chai pudi, bro. Only this much chai pudi.
Yeah.
So that we put. So there is not enough chai pudi to get that reddish color. So what we are planning is boil it. No chance, bro. It is still white. So what we are thinking is boil it little more so that all the essence in the chai pudi come out. But how much ever we boil, no essence is coming out. Only I can see is chai pudi going here and there. Full dancing. Full chai pudi dancing you can see. So maybe let me ask. Chai pudi gayi na? Chai pudi gayi. Chai pudi kottana?
നാളെ കൊണ്ടോ
Nalla kottru.
ഇപ്പൊ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ
ഇപ്പൊ കുറച്ച് കിട്ടി. So after boiling for 10 minutes, this is the maximum what we can do. Now to make masala chai, we have to coffee podi band Hitler. So it is better to remove chai pudi and take only. So it is better to remove chai pudi because if you keep chai pudi will
Extract the essence from
extract the essence from all the masala. So we don't want the chai pudi to extract the masala. We want that full masala in the chai. So we will filter chai pudi.
Yeah.
Only that much chai pudi. Chai. And we don't care about this thing anymore. The last drop.
I cleaned the kitchen and made it dirty.
That is how it is. You make it.
Clean them,
You make them dirty.
Why do you want my video?
Because you are.
Yes, there's my face, not another. Someone, but it's not someone's
We
face.
are invading your property.
Not. This is my face, not others' face. I am a man. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No doubt.
You go out.
You are
You go out.
you are sugar daddy. That we know.
Any doubts?
No doubt.
Do you want to see Pulwana?
So we pal full.
Even in a motion theater. In angle theater.
What about this one?
Wait.
ഇത് ഒരാൾക്ക് രണ്ടാൾക്ക്
അതെത്തും ഇല്ല കുറച്ചേ കുടിക്കുന്നില്ല എല്ലാവരും.
Come on.
അറിയില്ല ബ്രോ.
Apa itu?
Why copy pudi, bro?
I don't know bro. See, last time it failed because this thing was too strong. This time we made it little bit lighter, but I don't know what will happen. So let it boil little bit.
Yeah.
Put. Let it boil little bit.
What is there to buy, bro?
The new milk which we put now. So experiment. We are putting this, and we won't let it boil too much. Okay. So this is the essence, complete essence.
Masala.
The masala. This is the mix of all good chemins, jaggery, elaki, jaggery, elaki, and all the things. So, let it go. So this much, and let me mix. If it breaks, we will prepare again. This is the final stage of the experiment. I don't think it will break. Let it mix properly. So we are not filtering it. The masala, elaki, everything should be there. We are pouring into 4 glasses. Bro. This is yours.
Thank you.
Strong, huh? Kudicho, bro. Nice, huh? Strong, huh? Light, huh? Sugar? Sugar want to you put sugar. So let everyone drink the tea.
I'm drinking liquor in steel.
The aroma from the ginger, the masala combination, hitting the nose. Now your nose block, everything will go.
If anybody is suffering from cough, nose running, or fever, you have 3 times. Everything will vanish.
Ini mana gelas ada doang itu bang udah kalau dari buka.
Which class? Which class?
Light glass.
Light class.
Eh?
She want to do business. She want to import glass from China. What glass?
Not that glass.
You must use
Lights.
Lights.
Yeah, decoration lights.
Christmas lights.
Christmas lights. Lights.
Christmas decoration.
What are you talking about?
Full import China, selling here, full money.
That's why they are doing in cheap petrol. What type of light you want, what type of lamp you want, everything will get in cheap.
That we will buy from China, we will sell here. Full business.
That you have to buy container wise.
25 lakh rupees per container. We will buy.
Let's buy it. Put 5 lakh. Put 5 lakh.
I'll give, not now, after selling my land.
അയ്യോ അതൊരു കഥക്കാരൻ ജയിച്ചേക്കില്ല.
അപ്പോഴേക്കും എനിക്ക് 60 വയസ്സ്, നേരത്തെ 65 വയസ്സ്.
On the way.
Property for sale. We are doing real estate also.
Yeah, we are dealing with the real estate.
എത്ര
Three and a half kunta kami.
ഏക്കറിൽ പറഞ്ഞാല് ഇൻ ഏക്കർ
One acre മൂന്നര കുണ്ട കുറവ്.
എവിടെ?
മീൻസ് മൂന്നര കുണ്ട പറഞ്ഞെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കുണ്ട വന്നിട്ട് 2.5 സെന്റ്.
ആ
മൂന്നര പറയുമ്പോൾ 3.5 to 2.5 എത്ര സെന്റ് കുറവ്?
ഒരു പേപ്പറിൽ എഴുതി വെച്ചു.
ഒരത് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2.5 സെന്റ്. അപ്പൊ ഒരു ഏക്കറിന് എത്ര സെന്റ് കുറവ്? എത്ര? അതെനിക്കറിയാം.
അതർവൈസ് 1.5.
ആ എന്തോ ഉണ്ട്. ഒരു ഏക്കറിന്റെ അടുത്ത് സ്ഥലം ഉണ്ടെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായിരുന്നു. ഒരു ഏക്കറിന്റെ സ്ഥലമുണ്ട് 6 കോടി രൂപ ഒരു ഏക്കർ സ്ഥലത്ത്. പ്രോപ്പർ ബാംഗ്ലൂർ. ബാംഗ്ലൂർ.
Proper Bangalore.
No.
സ്ഥലം പറ ബ്രോ.
This is in Kanakpura.
Not Kanakpura. It is near industrial estate. Haravali industrial estate.
Haravali industrial estate means very costly land. Very costly land.
Adjacent land.
It is near to the main Haravali means Kanakpura main road, and current quote is around 6 crore rupees. So if somebody is quoting more than 6 crore rupees, they answer right.
We'll bid bro.
If people bid in the comment section. Even if you don't have money, simply bid. We will enjoy bidding.
It is 20 lakhs per kunta.
Okay, please tell your contact number.
Give his number.
I will give my number in the description. You can contact me if anybody is okay buying this land. The land is really good, but it is near industrial area. If you
Adjacent to industrial.
adjacent to industrial area, very costly land. If you buy now, real estate bro, it will double.
Actually, it is 8 crores. You said it was
6 crore because he want money now.
Yeah.
He want money right now. Because
Urgency.
he want to enjoy his life.
Yeah.
He can't wait anymore.
BMW car.
Yeah. So
Sometimes in chopper.
yeah. So actual value will be around 8 CR. He want urgent selling. So anybody who is ready to buy urgently,
To buy it,
they can buy it for 6 CR. Thank you very much. All the details I will provide in the description. Map location, everything. Thank you. We are leaving Hitler's house. So Hitler bye. That is my sister bye. No, he is not bye. He is coming with me. So we are leaving. Tata, bye bye. Take care.
Good day. Good day.
ഇറങ്ങി പോകും പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ നിൽക്കാൻ വന്നില്ല ബൈക്ക് ബൈ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിന്റെ ഫോം വേണ്ടേ
എന്റെ ഫോണ്
See you. Nice echo, very nice echo. See, you can run a full 100-meter race here. From there to here, full 100-meter. You run morning there, you morning running here. Nice it is. I don't know how they made this flat, but 100 meters. So let's go.
Haram se. See you.
Okay. മഴമായും കണ്ണോരം കണ്ണീർ